I'm originally from Brazil. I grew up in Brazil and I did my bachelor's in industrial engineering there. During my bachelor's, I had the opportunity to spend 1 year in France and 1 year at Pedro University here in the US. And I really enjoyed the Midwest, so I wanted to come back to the US. The research I did there was related to using data for transportation problems. So trying to improve congestions, for example. There's some kind of congestions that happen semi-randomly, like accidents, or sometimes you have a big snowstorm that you're not anticipating. And those are a lot harder for you to plan as a person. So a lot of what I did is just analyzing data to help us understand how those affect the congestion levels in a highway for planning purposes. I was working on trying to predict whether you're going to default or not in the next 6 months just by analyzing your transactions. Look at data and we try to guess. So based on my transactions, does it look like I'm going to default in the next 6 months or not? And then they use this for business decisions, like how much credit we're going to provide to you, or should we be watching you more closely? Should we try to offer us like alternative products to help you maybe not default? It's an introduction to understanding how powerful data can be to the students. One emphasis I try to give my students is, I don't want you to just remember the formulas and plug the numbers and getting the correct number, but to really understand why is that number so cool and what can I do with this number? Our students go into so many different fields, but of course there are some big umbrella fields that we see students going more often, maybe logistics, maybe a little bit of production forecasting, manufacturing, and understanding how like quality control. So leveraging this knowledge of data and statistics and a little bit of math to really help the business improve their processes and bring gains to both the customers and the company. I think every person you ask in OSM might have a different answer for this. I know my answer might not be the most popular one. I do enjoy a lot of the math part of it. I know it's maybe not the most popular answer across all faculty and students, but I recognize that there are a lot of really interesting aspects, even on the negotiation part, or understanding how to understand my client or my vendor's perspective and putting myself in their shoes and understanding how can we improve together.